Talk to me.
My name is Chana Johnson.
Shanna Johnson? Yes. What happened?
Franklyn Hyman is my son. Right now, I not even know what to say. One boy say, no hard working boy. Then come here last week Tuesday, search him, go up on yard, threatening girlfriends if he go home. Right now, go pretty. Then come back Thursday, then carry him down. So them I go question him. Then have him about 5 days. Me I forget lawyer, we take him out, cause when they say I be question him nothing. Then still want push things for him when me no know what he no do. Me down at my yard this morning. Me see when the jeep then come from ridge, go up the road. By the time me run go up there, then run me back. By the time me down here, so me hear the shot them, then kill me pitney. When nothing at all, he no do nothing. He might wake up this morning if he go work. Justice for coming at them. Right now, me not even know if it's right now. I want piss, I want shit. Me not even know what if he say. What if he say nothing can't go, so justice for coming at them something yeah. The boy now do nothing. Then threatening say them I go kill him. And then come this morning, say and kill him. Boy, me I tell you, me yai water nah go so, that's all me know. Me yai water nah go so. I'm back, you know, because I not even know really, me can't even believe he's dead, you know. Me have to ask good if he really dead, you know. Boy, me I tell you.
I remember now, just talk alone. Go on.
Talk what?
Yeah, just talk, yeah.
Wake up. When me look, be a police. So me I try open the door now and the police said, don't open the door, don't. So them go over my brother's house now and then go over there. When me look, be a police. So by me I open my door and say, lock the door. So when he open my door now and his girlfriend come out and me look, then kind of like pushing down like so. So them pushing down, they have my gun, because I could have see everything. When they have my gun, me when the police I say, leg off my gun. And then shoot him. Like about 3 shots or something here. Then shoot him, take him up, go with him, all a draw yellow tape. So when they come back now, they say we don't have to come out of the house, see him where. So when they go in and some run out of the house and so everybody start to say whatever. Then just kill him and for nothing at all. One officer named Gibbs see him the other day and say, him personally go kill him and he want 4 man from Whitehall. And say him did up on the scene this morning, but me can't assure say I know him do it. But then kill him for nothing at all. Innocent boy. So that's it. Police then say them are gonna write say a shootout and know, but me don't know how shootout are go from door to door. Because if you look face to face, the police not get shot, but he get shot. So then fire 3 shots. One say them fire 1 and him fire 2 or so. That them are gonna say I know. Because I don't know how shootout are go so from door to door, face to face, how shootout are go so. And none of them get shot, none of the police don't get gauged, nothing. What me witness them push, they telling girlfriend to come out of the house and she come out and by my come out, them push him in the door and push him in the house and push him down and shoot him. Then wicked. And Gibbsy give him a warning, say, me have 4 man for kill a white horse, so 1 down, when you look out for ear, say, shoot out again, because them are going to kill somebody else, pitney again, but shoot too. I don't take out nothing, right, everything. See him where so. You want to talk, Trish?
Alright, start with the name and where we are now and you're who?
Well, I'm in Clunie Road.
Yeah, what's your name?
My name is Colonel Hyman.
Yeah.
And those guys that them kill is my son. And we don't know, because I never up here, but I hear the sound, and when I come, I hear the people them talk. And I know him is a hard-working youth, do mason work, skill, all-purpose person you can depend upon. And more than drinking rum and making noise, you know, but so when I come to work, I know I'm a good guy, so I don't really know.
So with this state of the police fatality, what do you think about it?
Well, me tell you, the hard working man and to amount of police come, this need justice because so much police not supposed to come attack one person like he's a wanted man and kill him like that. So But I want justice about that right now. Yeah? Because when me look, I don't see no way where them have to kill him. No, them could have, if them hear something or they want to deal with something, killing now for go on. If you look at the position, how them kill him, I don't like that. I need justice right now. Me and him mother and sister them all the way. Family, friend, everybody. Colonel Hyman. Colonel Hyman.
Colonel Hyman, you can spell it?
Cerman, Hyman. Day in a one day to him can do him thing. Yeah. If you look at the house right now, you can see all the what building make up there is him do it. So you can see say it's a little all purpose man. Doing steel, laying black, every little thing. Down to the little house so them kill him in. He make it, look at it. He making house and make a next concrete one, a better structure. So this is a trying youth, hardworking youth, willing to help people and help himself.
This a murder, brother. This a directly murder. When they can we got jail and then come back, a beer work, me see him go. Beer work. Yeah, that man. Tell me who's the name and the work on it.
I want to in there on there, not Ghanaian. Me think I in that. Should have a white shirt. We can. I watch you. I know your machine down the train. I feel the house. I just called me say can't pass up. I feel get a man. Because there was a time I was here to drive some girls. You know, see, I think the police ain't going to how many shots? So them is one shot there. So I one shot there.
Yeah, they don't even realize it.
I don't think so. So when I want me shop, I cry see me no want to get it from camera. I could never get to see my guy. The man soon come man, what on man? If you take out the name man, might as well. Me say every time man, don't kill me. That's it.
That's what I want now. Inspector now.
Yeah, that's it. Make it. MC, good enough. MC now.
Okay.
Eh?
No, this shop no call trust.
Trust me something, man. Trust me something.
That you will sign the right.
This boy vehicle them a pass.
They might take it down when they left.
And the killer then kill and guard van. They stone
They're not
and
business.
them
They're not care.
If your business guy, then just kill the boy, so take the boy, gag on 900 pounds. Then we kill.
First one when they turn their head.
a 3 shot to the man.
First one when they turn their head.
Because me a newsman.
A TV game and a video also. They have a video book. Can you see it on TV game? Yes.
Anybody still up there?
A TV game and a video book.
Yes? You hear me say take care? Send it to another number.